One sunny afternoon, Tom the cat and Jerry the mouse were chasing each other around the backyard, as they often did. But this time, their game of cat and mouse led them to something extraordinary. Hidden behind a bush was a shiny silver spaceship. It was small but looked like it had come straight out of a science fiction movie. Tom and Jerry stopped in their tracks, staring at the spaceship in awe. "Do you think it's real?" Jerry squeaked, his eyes wide with excitement. "Only one way to find out," Tom said, poking the spaceship with his paw. Suddenly, the door slid open, and a beam of light shot out, pulling them inside. Before they knew it, the spaceship had taken off, zooming into the sky and leaving Earth far behind. When the spaceship finally stopped, Tom and Jerry found themselves floating in zero gravity. They looked out the window and saw stars, planets, and galaxies all around them. "We're in space," Jerry exclaimed. But their excitement was short-lived. The spaceship's control panel started beeping, and a robotic voice announced, "Destination, Planet Zorb. Prepare for landing." "Planet Zorb? What's that?" Tom asked nervously. Before they could figure it out, the spaceship landed with a soft thud on a strange, colorful planet. The ground was purple, the trees were blue, and the sky was filled with two suns. As they stepped out of the spaceship, they were greeted by a group of alien creatures. The aliens had 3 eyes, long antennae, and glowing green skin. At first, Tom and Jerry were scared, but the aliens smiled and waved. "Welcome to Planet Zorb," one of them said in a friendly voice. The aliens explained that their planet was in trouble. A giant asteroid was heading straight for Zorb, and they needed help to stop it. "We heard about your cleverness and bravery," the alien leader said. "Can you help us?" Tom and Jerry looked at each other. They weren't sure how they could help, but they couldn't say no to the aliens' hopeful faces. "We'll do our best," Tom said. The aliens led them to a control room filled with buttons, levers, and screens. "You need to launch a rocket to destroy the asteroid," the alien leader explained. "But it requires teamwork." Tom and Jerry got to work. Tom used his height to reach the high buttons, while Jerry used his small size to crawl into tight spaces and fix wires. They had to solve puzzles, navigate mazes, and even outsmart a mischievous alien robot that kept messing with the controls. At one point, they started arguing. "You're pressing the wrong buttons," Jerry shouted. "No, you're pulling the wrong levers," Tom retorted. But then they remembered the aliens' words. Teamwork was the key. They took a deep breath and decided to work together. Finally, after hours of hard work, they were ready. Tom pressed the big red button, and the rocket launched into space, heading straight for the asteroid. They watched nervously as the rocket hit the asteroid, breaking it into tiny pieces that harmlessly floated away. The aliens cheered and hugged Tom and Jerry,